Sir, my name is Ramesh, sir. I'm from Telangana state. I live
Mm.
in Hyderabad. So, I have two siblings. They were married,
Okay.
and
They are
right,
they are married.
they are,
Before, yeah, yeah. Okay.
they were,
Yeah,
they are married.
yeah.
And present now, some my family situations. I am doing a cab driver job.
You are doing as a cab driver job. You are a cab driver.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, I see.
So
Absolutely.
I'm
Okay.
but I'm not satisfied in cab driver job because
Mhm.
I completed my graduation in BA English literature.
Okay.
So
Okay.
so so but I want to try something new in my life in my future.
Mm-hmm.
According to some polite job, some respectable job I want to do. So that's why I want to learn English.
Okay. What type of job are you looking for? What type of job are you
But
looking for?
whatever it is, some respectable
Mm.
job. Whatever it is, some
Oh,
respectable job. Some in nowadays driver's job is are very they are looking very cheap. Some
okay.
people,
Yeah.
all of me. Some people do.
Yeah.
For like
Yeah.
he's a driver. Okay, 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 like that. So
Yeah. There is no response.
I don't want like that. Uh,
Okay.
so I want to try something more achieve in my life.
Okay. When did you complete? When did you complete your BA English Literature?
I completed my BA literature in 2018, sir. 2018.
2018.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. And after that, did you study
Uh,
further or you stopped studying?
after that, I wrote some and PG entrance exams. But
Okay.
actually my desire is I want to do a MA English in OU campus. In Hyderabad city, OU campus is a very reputed campus
Mm-hmm. Okay.
in Hyderabad.
Okay.
So
Okay.
actually that is my dream. Okay, dream. So
Okay.
I didn't get to sit in that college.
Okay. Okay.
So then after I will do in MBA exams. I wrote a MBA exam.
Not I wrote after that I wrote MBA
Yeah.
MBA exam.
Yes, yes. After that,
Okay.
I wrote MBA entrance
Uh,
exam.
okay.
Uh, I got in MBT seat, like management business of tourism. I got
Okay.
it. Not
Okay.
in administration, in
Okay.
tourism. So
Okay.
some my family issues or some financial issues. I
Mm-hmm.
didn't go. I didn't go that to that.
I could not I could not take admission. I could not pay the admission fee. I could not go
Yes, I
to
could not go
pursue
to
that
course.
MBA course. Okay.
And they was
Okay.
pursued.
Okay.
After that 1 year, I wrote BED entrance exam in English. BED.
What is BED? What is BED?
Yeah, it is
BA,
teachers.
Bachelor of
BEd.
Education.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
Bachelor
BEd.
of Education. Okay,
Yeah, yeah,
okay. Then
BEd. Yes, I got a government college seat. I got
okay,
seat in government college. So
okay,
I wrote one first semester only in that
okay.
stage.
You studied
Yeah, I
first
wrote
semester, one semester only. You studied.
yes, I studied only
Okay,
one semester and I wrote exams also in first semester.
okay,
Same problem repeat again. I
okay,
have some family issues and some financial problems. So I feel that so it is not work out to me. That is not
okay.
work out to me. So I have to do
Yeah.
some work to my family to feed my family
Okay,
or to serve my family.
okay,
So
okay.
uh, that's why I took a decision to
Mm-hmm.
do a job. So I'm
Okay,
searching. Then everywhere I goes, I face only English struggles. I mean communication skills.
okay.
I
I
face
see.
I face them.
Okay, okay.
So, so for alternative, I want to do job cab driver for temporary,
Mm-hmm.
only temporary,
Temporary basis. Okay.
temporary. Definitely, I will go another job in future.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay,
what I'm thinking is, if I know English very well, I I, I could do a better job.
okay.
I,
Absolutely.
I yes sir. I feel like that. That's why I want to learn English.
Don't you worry, brother. I will help you. Don't worry. I will help you. I'll try my best to help you out. Don't you worry about that. Okay.
Thank
I want
thank
to
you.
know, when did you give your last interview? When and where? When
Yeah,
and where?
actually, I did small jobs
No,
for.
I want to know specifically your last interview. Where you attended your last interview, where and when?
It is like a IT company. It's not
It
to
was
com-
it was
Arifa.
an IT company. It was an IT company where I attended as I approached or I went for an interview. It
Yes,
was an IT company. When?
yes.
Last month? This month? When?
No, sir. No, 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 sir. No, no, sir. It is almost 2019. That's time. 2019 time.
Okay, I see. Absolutely, absolutely. Mm-hmm.
So I faced there so many. They are speaking only. They are asking questions only in English. But
Mm-hmm.
I face some questions, but
Mm-hmm.
some are I not answered because
I could not answer. I could not answer some of their questions. I could not answer.
I could not answer some of them questions because of lack of confidence
Mm-hmm.
and some vocabulary issues. But I will
Okay.
manage. As I will manage.
What do you mean
I
I
manage.
will manage? What do you mean? But I managed. I
Yes,
managed. Somehow I managed. We use for a future. We use will for a future, not for the past. My dear brother, we use will for future, not for the past. So
yes,
what
sir.
questions they asked you? Could you please tell me?
Yeah. Uh, Tell me about yourself. They are
Okay.
asking you.
They asked,
Yeah.
please tell me. Okay, now I'm asking you, I'll ask you, please tell me about yourself, Mr. Ramesh.
As you know, sir, my name is Ramesh. Koda. I am from Telangana state. I lived in Hyderabad city and
No, don't say lived. I
live.
live in Hyderabad city. Don't use
Yeah,
the second form, use the base form of the verb.
in present we
Hmm.
use only V1, right, sir?
Look, don't go present and past. Whenever you want to describe your habit, use the base form of the verb.
Okay.
If you will tell me present and past, then it will not work like that. Okay.
Yes.
If you, whenever you want to describe your daily habit or your habit, okay, the
Yes.
thing is you do the same every day, use the simple base form of the verb, simple present tense, base form of the verb. Come on, do it
Sir,
one more time. Where do you live?
Sir, I live in Hyderabad city.
Ah,
I
okay,
live in
then
Hyderabad
come on.
city. I work. I I am working as a cab driver.
Okay, no, I want to know, tell me about yourself. Give me this question's answer, long answer. Tell me about yourself. Consider me interviewer. I am taking your interview and you are a candidate. Okay, and
Yes,
I'm
sir.
your
Yes.
interviewer. Come on. I'm taking your interview. Give me, tell me about yourself, Mr. Ramesh. Please don't mind it, okay?
Yes, sir. Sure. Sir, my name is Ramesh, sir. I am from Telangana state. I live in Hyderabad city. Sir, I completed my graduation in 2018 in a BA English Literature, and I have two siblings. Uh, they are they are married, and sir, uh, my hobbies is playing cricket, watching movies, and listening music, and reading books also. And and sir, I have
Look, you have only a graduation. Except graduation, do you have any other skill that it will be useful for me and for my company? Do you have any other skill
yeah,
except
yes,
your graduation certificate?
I, I I don't have any certificate, sir, but I have confidence on me, sir. I will do definitely hard work from you and your company at the same time of my bright fruit for my bright future. Yeah, I have only, sir.
Okay. We don't want your confidence. We want something, some skill that it will be useful in our company. Can you operate a computer, Mr. Ramesh? Mr. Ramesh Boda.
Sorry for
Mr.
the disturbance, sir. I get some call, so
I
that's why
got some. I got one call, not some call. I got a call.
I
Sorry
got
for the
call.
disturbance. I got a call. I had to receive. It was an emergency, an important call to me. Okay. Do you know computer, Mr. Ramesh? Do you know computer? Can you operate computer?
Yeah, sir. I know computers,
What do you
but
know in
not,
computer?
but not.
What do you know?
I know only basics, sir, in computers because of I'm a rural background, so that's why I don't know very well in computers.
Sir,
But
sir, but
but I know basics only, sir.
what do you mean basic? What do you know? You know how to type? That's the basic things.
Yeah, I have to type and send send emails and MS Office.
Okay.
So yeah,
Look, that's why you did not get the job, Mr. Ramesh. You
yes,
have
sir.
only graduation certificate.
Yes, sir.
Except this, you do not have any other skill.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes.
a company oriented skill, office oriented skill. You do not have any computer certificate or any diploma, other certificate, degree certificate. You have only graduation certificate. So that's not gonna work. You will not get a job like this. Try to acquire some skill. Except English. Okay, English is mandatory. I understand English is mandatory. It is a communication skill. With English you can handle everybody, but apart from this you must have some computer knowledge as well. you know
So,
so acquire some skill, Mr. Ramesh. Try to acquire some skill. If you want a good job, high paying job, respected job, then acquire some skill. It is important for you.
so
Regarding English, I will help you. You call me. I'll give you the date and time. Call me. I will teach you English. Don't you worry. I'll try my best to help you out. I will give you some guidelines also, and I'll try my best to help you out regarding your English and communication skill. This is
thank
my
you, sir.
word. I'll help you. Okay. What else I can do for you right now? What else I can do for you?
Sir, present I have some some lack of confidence to
You will
speak.
get the confidence. You will get the confidence. Talk with the different people, random people every day. You will get the confidence. It's not a big deal. Confidence, hesitation, you will get everything. But talk to every day. Talk with different people. Communicate with them. Explore new topic, new subject. You will get the confidence.
So what is the problem is in my side. So in my surroundings or in my neighbors, all are spoken only Telugu. They
Not
don't know
spoke.
English.
Speak.
They were
Uh,
speak only in
they
Telugu.
were me. They
They are
they all speak in Telugu language.
they all speak in Telugu language only. They don't know.
Okay,
They don't speak in English. So
okay.
that is the problem to communicate with them.
I'll help you. Don't worry. Download our application Hybro app. Do you know
Yeah,
about Hybro app?
yeah. I know. Already, I applied. I installed that app also. Today
Yeah.
morning, uh, I got a call from.
Okay. Talk every day on Hybro app. Talk every day with the random people. That's it. And if apart from this, read, write, watch, research. Believe me, within a 1 or 2 months, your level will be increased automatically.
Yeah,
You know, you will not learn English within a year, or sorry, within hour, within a week, within a 1 month. No, it takes time,
yes,
Mr. Ramesh. Takes time. Don't think that within a 1 week, within a 1 month, I could learn English. No, you cannot learn English. You cannot learn English.
yeah.
Okay,
It
it takes
takes
time. It
time.
takes time. It takes time. It takes time. Do you understand Hindi? Do you understand Hindi? Do you speak
Uh,
Hindi?
a little bit, sir.
Better. Okay. Okay. So, Mr. Ramesh, I look. Do one thing. Call me. Call me Saturday. Call me on Saturday. Tomorrow is Saturday. Tomorrow
Yes,
is Saturday. Call me Saturday morning. I will teach you something. I will teach you new things. No, or just keep some questions regarding English grammar with you. What where you are facing problem. So I'll try to solve all of your queries tomorrow. Call me tomorrow morning. I'll help. Okay, brother.
sure, sir.